And now some breaking news. The gang known as the Mother's Mob has targeted another neighborhood in Los Angeles. Residents are baffled as why their cars are being mysteriously cleaned overnight. For more on this story, we go to me wearing a slightly different suit. That's right, Nolan. All was quiet in this LA neighborhood until local residents discovered their cars and tires were sparkling clean, with some even reporting that new car smell in the air. You know, it's crazy, man. Yesterday my car looked awful, and now I come out and it's all like, you know, clean. Like, how'd they get it so clean, you know? So anyway, like, this car looks brand new. Wow, you must be so frightened. Oh no, man, I feel really safe actually. If anything, I might pull my other car around and have them do it tonight. Police shared this video of a recent scrubbing. You can see the group cleaning an unsuspecting vehicle with what looks like easy to use professional grade products. Multiple bottles of Mother's Polish have been recovered from the scene. We have products like triple action foam wash, back to black trim and plastic restorer, foaming wheel, and tire cleaner, among others. Despite the evidence, our investigation remains ongoing. We urge everyone watching this to click the link below to learn more. Thank you. No questions.